Boy, I tell you, it's hot today. Today's Sunday, 21st. We're doing some chicken fritters on the Blackstone. Right now it's about 96 degrees, 102 real heat index, according to weather.com or whatever I have on my phone. So these chicken fritters, I got the recipe from the Blackstone site. I've never tried them before, so this will be something new. So it looks pretty good though. They almost look like McDonald's hash browns, but they have chicken in them. So that's going to be good. So we got that coming up right now. So you guys better get ready. Grab a drink. We'll see you in a minute. Here comes the intro. All right, today we're making some chicken fritters. So far we have 2 pounds boneless chicken breast, cut up little pieces. We're gonna add some things here. We're gonna do a, let's see, 2/3 cup mozzarella, 2/3 cup flour, we're gonna do 4 tablespoons mayonnaise. Measured all these out before the video, so I didn't waste any time. That got on me. Next we're going to do 6 tablespoons Buffalo sauce. We're using Frank's Red Hot Wings Buffalo. Measure this out already. And we're doing 2 eggs, right from our chickens outside. I'm gonna throw some pepper on while it's on there too, but why not? A little pepper, a little salt. All this stuff you can find in the description if you wanted to order it. And then we're just going to mix it up real well. I don't know if you can see this. It is tough to stir it when I'm holding it toward you guys. And being super hot out, I've already moved the Blackstone to another location on my deck, so it's in the shade. So it's looking pretty mixed up here. Let's go ahead and move out to the griddle. Make sure everything's good in here. Yeah, so what we're looking at is this. So everything's mixed up. Let's make our fritters. We'll see you out at the Blackstone. All right, so we got buffalo chicken fritters. Let me grab my spoon. So here's what we're working with. Yeah, I don't know. We got about medium heat going right now. I'm trying to make even scoops. So far we put a little oil down, and we're just kind of putting our mixture down, trying to keep them together. Oh, there's a baby one. This was good about the 36-inch griddle. You can throw tons down. There's 5 of us in our family, so it looks like so far, from what I see, everyone's getting 2 or 3 of these. So this is raw chicken we're putting down, so we want to make sure it's cooked. The Blackstone site says 2 to 3 minutes per side. That's where I got the recipe for it. I'm thinking I'll probably do a little more than that because it's chicken. Somebody in the comments can let me know who coined the term fritter and where it came from. That'd be cool. Let me find a spot. Probably 2 or 3 more left. That's a funny one. This guy. And last one. We're gonna put him here. All right, all done with that. We're gonna put that away. I didn't get much salt and pepper on them when they were in the bowl, so I'm gonna do that some more. And this salt's pretty good. It's the Himalayan salt. It's supposed to be more healthy for you, although I guess any salt isn't the best. But anything I'm using, you can see, this is actually Kirkland brand, pink Himalayan salt. But anything I'm using, you can see in the description. I'm gonna pepper these up while they're looking at me. Again, we're using medium heat right now. Actually, the right side is off, so anything here over I should probably move. You see they're starting to become one with the griddle. That's good, they're sticking together. Except for this guy. I'm gonna scoot him on top of each other there. Give this a minute. Get your HomeOwner beer. So I just want to scoot these around a little bit, make sure they're not sticking. If your griddle is seasoned well enough, everything should be flowing around. I may fast forward some of this. Oh, there's a piece. I'm just going to stick it right on there. All right. Let me move these guys around. We'll see you in a minute. I'm starting to flip these guys now. I don't want to burn them, but it's also raw chicken, so I want to make sure everything's good. I had it probably 4 minutes so far on the first side. putting a tiny bit of weight on them. I just want to make sure that they're not going to fall apart on me. I also don't want to burn them, so. That one got wrecked. Yep, that one's like a fun one. Put him up here, flatten him down in there. Hopefully that's all going to stick together in a minute. So, got these guys going pretty well now. So here's, this little guy is going to be somebody's little chicken fritter. All right, let me keep an eye on these. We'll be right back. You can see the mozzarella peeling off. All right, I've been about 5 minutes on both sides here. If I can flip that guy. And some of these guys are falling apart. If I was more careful, I probably wouldn't be. Just want to make sure this chicken's done. You can see some of these guys have little corners falling off. Did I flip this guy? I don't remember. Everything's looking pretty good. There's a couple pieces on that one. So give these another couple minutes. Make sure everything's good. We don't want any raw chicken. Nothing's burning up yet. It's looking really good though. Can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna finish these up. We'll see you guys inside. All right, let's see how these guys turned out. Ooh, they're hot. So the inside, the chicken is done, so that's good. Let me add a few of these to this plate. Hot! We got a little rice. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And that's good. I can't wait to dig in. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.